Hey folks, today we're going to be looking at the 231 rear bath by Freedom Express. First things, it has a power tongue jack, and it comes with the 15-gallon propane tanks. If you come around here, you have Underbelly Storage. This is one of the only trailers that's going to have an outside kitchenette that's not a bunk. So this one is blocked by the pole right there, but it has an outside kitchen, so keep that in mind. 23 feet, so it's a shorter trailer. We could start right here. Look at this bathroom, it's gorgeous. Glass shower doors on the shower. You got your sink, medicine cabinet, place to hang your towels, plug in for hair dryers and stuff like that. And look how deep this storage is on here. Put my whole arm in there. Porcelain toilet. Then if you come over here, your fridge is right here, which is pretty decent. Then if you look over here, you got your kitchenette, which you got your stove right here with your hookups. And then you have your microwave, stainless steel. Then you have more storage right here. Okay, and then your kitchenette. And then where he's sitting right here, this is the dinette. It's already set. If you want to make it into a bed, you will just pull these out, pull these down and stuff them in there, and you have another bed. And on the entertainment side, you have your DVD slash Bluetooth. The TV turns around when you have the pocket doors in, and then come in the bedroom here. You have USBs over there. If you look down, you see you have a USB and a plug-in on both sides here. And you have more storage. Awesome storage in this one. And you have your two wider hanging closets. Okay? So yeah, if you guys have any questions about this 23 footers, the short ones, about 4,000 pounds, give me a call. My name is Anthony Fuller. You can reach me at 541-653-2818. Thanks.